We are here to have fun, to make new memories, make new friends, but keep the old.
The official song of the Meghalaya Games. You can hear it now. Our top athletes.
The dignitaries are on their way to meet you all. They are here. Welcome.
You can see the dignitaries interacting
The athletes,
with the athletes of different
our
contingents.
dignitaries are here to meet you all.
Sports Minister, we can see the Sports Minister interacting with athletes.
Dignitary ang tao at sinisneer ang ruminga.
What a momentous occasion. The ministers are on the ground. It's absolutely motivating. That's why this Meghalaya game is so special. It's absolutely special.
Here we have for you all the athletes
Nurturing of talent
the best district
at
of
the right time.
Meghalaya.
Sports Minister interacting with the West Georgia Hills contingent. Now he's going to the West Hockey Hills contingent. Wonderful day.
Okay. Now we are going to take a photograph.
Dengan Madam Agatha to Honorable Sister, Commander G, the entire cabinet and the organizing team is there.